Sometimes I get a vision, I just see it, I see very clearly. When I was sketching out the space, I just thought of this flower form that leads you, instead of just easily walking from one space to the other, that leads you. And I want this to be something you have to push through, touch your body as you walk through. Because we're always told don't touch the art, but I want this piece that the art touches you. You have to go through the art from one end to the other. So Cry Joy Park is an ongoing series. It's really about a garden that has this utopic element to it, but has an undercurrent that's a dystopic element as well. It's really important to me to create a space that's not about good or evil, good or bad, but it's just really about the different sides. There's a side under the sun, and then there's going to be a side in the shadows, and we need both. I made an opera for Spoleto Festival in 2015. That's how I came to Charleston. It's called Paradise Interrupted, and it's about a woman's search for an unattainable ideal, and it's an opera. And from there, I spent some time in Charleston, and I thought, of course, everyone's charmed, and you love the city. And I have to say, after some time, I also thought there's something very unusual and different here compared to New York, where I live. And I really want to investigate that. I feel like it's kind of the cradle of Americanism in so many ways, and how early America was set up here. But also, we have subjugated many, many people for many, many years of slavery. So how does that really work into society today? Is there still a lasting effect? What does it look like? So I think this idea of it takes so many hands to build a paradise, but not everyone's invited to the table when it's time to enjoy the harvest. That's just a theme throughout human history in any culture. It might have very unique manifestation in a particular place, and I'm curious and interested in seeing what that is. I'm asking everyone to think about these themes. So I have chosen a few different topics. In the idea of we're building a paradise, beautiful garden, what are some problems we might encounter?